Hi guys, that's a squirrel I just saw. Then it runs away. And there's Mr. Red, Acorn, and a kitten. But his is at the horse. He is a boy, and his name is Mango, and he hisses at the horses a lot. And there's Charlie. And here's Jetta. Jetta. There. And my mom is so cute, and we have the matching shirts. And if your name is Josh Abrig, that's my dad. And if you're my dad watching, you can give it a thumbs up. And you could do subscribe. And you can do all of that stuff. And I love you, Daddy. And the cat don't know what we're doing. So my mom wants me to say bye right now. Bye.